In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a captivating drop shadow effect to your button using the effects panel. This technique can really help your design stand out by adding depth and dimension, a crucial element in creating visually interesting graphics. So let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this effect. First, you'll want to ensure you've selected the correct layer that you're going to work with, in this case the button layer. This is a fundamental step because applying an effect to the wrong layer can lead to unwanted results, and we definitely want to avoid that. So locate the correct button layer in your layers panel and click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when it appears highlighted. Next, shift your attention over to the effects panel. This panel is your gateway to a wide array of effects that can be applied to your layers to enhance your design. Scroll through the menu until you find the drop shadow effect. This effect is a fantastic tool for creating a sense of layering and dimension by simulating the appearance of a shadow being cast by your button. Click on it to add the effect to your selected button layer. Once the drop shadow effect is applied, it's time to customize and fine-tune it to match your creative vision. Let's start with the shadow color. You can opt for a traditional black shadow or mix it up with a color that complements your design, adding a unique touch. Simply click the color box in the shadow settings to choose your preferred color. Now let's adjust the blur. The blur setting will determine how fuzzy or sharp your shadow edges appear, providing either a soft, diffused shadow or a more defined silhouette. This setting is crucial for setting the mood of your design. Next, move on to the opacity setting. By adjusting the opacity, you control how transparent or solid the shadow appears. A lower opacity results in a softer shadow, while a higher one makes it more pronounced. Then take a look at the shadow offsets. These will control the position of your shadow relative to the button, influencing its appearance on the canvas. You can experiment with these settings to see how they affect the depth and direction, either creating a sense of height or an impression of a spotlight from below. Finally, it's time to preview your crafted shadow. Step back and view the complete effect in the context of your overall design to see how everything pulls together. If needed, make additional adjustments for subtlety or drama until it perfectly complements your composition. That's all there is to it. Adding a drop shadow effect to your button layer can bring a striking level of detail to your designs. With these steps, you can achieve eye-catching results that enhance and elevate your visuals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more design tips and tricks.